Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Our old channel is deleted, so please subscribe our new channel. We always share content for educational purpose. Today we will explain about MEV Bot Scam. It's common and mostly new users who are trying to learning about the bots. If they are looking for the source code or a smart contracts for the MEV bot or arbitrage bot. So if you are looking on the YouTube or like on the GitHub, so there are many repository and the many videos like related to bots are scamming with the users. So be care when you are following someone instruction, and also the person providing you a free code means they are scamming with you. So I will show you an example. So I just search for a MEV arbitrage bot on the YouTube, and I find a channel, and this have only one videos on the about the bot, and this person using a scam script, and that will stole your funds, and also the person share a code in the description like bot source code, and here is the code. We will test this code and explain what happen when you deploy the contract and the deposit funds into the contract. So here is the code we are pasted, and then compile it, and let's deploy it and make a transaction to deploy this contract. So we are deploying the contract on the Spolia network for the testing purpose. Okay, so we will wait for the confirmation of the transaction, and let's look back the person giving instruction that he create the contract using chatgpt, but it's doing all fake because he have already written contract. In the contract they just put the contract own wallet address in a small pieces, and then it will be again combine the wallet address and transfers all funds from the contract to own wallet address. So we will test here. Our contract is created. In the contract we have start bot, withdraw, get balance, token name and token symbol. Okay, right now we don't have balance in the contract. So as the instructions of this video, the person said you have to deposit some amount of ETH or BNB, whatever chain you want to deploy or run this bot. So you have to deposit some amount in the contract. So we will copy the contract address and send some ETH to the contract. So I will send 0.1 ETH to the smart contract. So let's follow the contract on the Etherscan. Here is the contract address we generated. So right now have inside 0.1 ETH balance, and also we want check here get balance. So here is the amount. So the person in the last will be say you have, like here as we can see here, the person said just send some ETH to the contract, and then he will click on the start bot function, and is showing the fake profit. And also the function of start bot and withdraw have the same in the logics. If you start bot, it will be transfer funds from contract to scammer wallet, and also if you try to withdraw, then the same it will be transfer the funds from contractor to scammer wallet. So once you have deposit the amount in the contract, you cannot get your money back, means you are scammed. So let's click here on the start bot. Okay, so let's refresh the page. Okay, so transaction is done. We don't have the balance inside our contract, as we can see here. If we call this function again, we have zero balance. And if we open the transaction, and here we can see the is my wallet address, and I call this contract, and is transfer 0.1 ETH from contract address to this wallet address. So it's normally scam people doing for like giving a MEV bot code, or the same like on the GitHub and in the like a pastebin.com here. So be aware of these types of scam. And